You having fun over there? Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless. So, as you can see, we have tons of different things. We have a wide variety of different merchandise in stock for you. So, whatever your poison, we have something for you. Whether it is an accessory, which all of our phone accessories, as far as like our phone cases, our screen protectors, all of that will be buy one, get one free. We also have tons of phones in stock, both Android-wise as well as iPhones. So guys, we do have the best cash prices for all of your unlocked phone wants. We have, for the iPhones, they start at $99 for the 6S and go up. This would be the case with the home buttons. So all the way up to the SE 2020 and 8 Plus in this one. And these are unlocked, guys. You can use whatever service provider that you would like on these. We also have, in this case, iPhone X all the way up to the 14 Pro Max, or 14 Plus currently. We do have plenty of 14 Pro Max in stock as well, though. And guys, we do have the best prices. We have researched, we have looked around. We have the best prices on unlocked phones that you will find as far as unlocked. So guys, make sure you get in here and check us out. We can also activate services and repair your current devices. So whatever your want is, we can help. And guys, again, don't forget, for accessories like phone screen protectors and phone cases, they are buy one, get one. Alright guys, and we have tons of different cases for your iPhones and your Androids and screen protectors. Like I said, buy one, get one free. Alright guys, hope everyone is having a great day. Enjoy the beautiful weather. I am jealous of anyone getting to enjoy it today. And I hope to see everyone in here at some point. Excuse me.